I hardly eat cottage cheese.
No, it's not bad. I started eating my son, yeah. It's not bad.
It's good, but
Sorry?
We diet. We can indulge sometimes, but most of the time
Yeah, most of the time you work.
no, that is not hot. It's not hot.
it's not hot.
Yeah, mine is very, but hers is not hot.
Is it?
Not gonna
It's something to warm you.
You have yours coming up?
The bus is quite noisy. We are on a Christmas light tour bus. I hope I got it right. Basically, a bus that takes us around the West End, London.
Ladies, we're gonna need those seats. Yeah, we are fully booked, so we're gonna need
Yes,
those
of course.
seats.
Oh, yeah, definitely. Definitely.
We are on the Christmas light tour bus. Basically, it's a bus that takes us around West End, and we get to see the Christmas light. It is a bus whereby part of the bus is open and part of the bus is closed. Where I am seated, which is here, it is closed, but at the back, that side is open. I didn't sit at the back. That's because number one, it's a rainy day today and the rain might fall, and if it does fall, I won't enjoy the tour. So it's best to sit, for me it's best to sit where there is a roof. So that's what I did. Guys, it's been a busy day for me, but my friend booked this a while ago and I'm excited to see how it goes and share it with you guys. Anyway, if you're new here, my name is Cynthia. Hello guys, welcome to the channel.
There's about 12,000 fireworks that get shot out of the London Eye about this day to get the nickname Nightingales. So the nurses are still called Nightingales to this day. It's also where Boris Johnson was.
We just finished the tour.